everybody, this is Alicia from thriftyandchic.com. Today I am going to share with you how to take these average dollar store candlesticks and turn them into something super cute. So the dollar store has these candlesticks that you'll see in the next shot that are just all black, and they come in two different sizes. And just to look at them, obviously you wouldn't think anything of them, but I took them into these candlesticks, and I am just going to show you how. I love taking dollar store items that are kind of not great and turning them into some really cool and cute decor that looks a little bit more than $1.25. So let's see how I did it. All right, first off, here are the dollar store candlesticks. They come in two sizes. They are just a matte black. They're not great metal, but they work for what we are going to do with them. I get rub and buff with in the golden leaf, and I apply it just a little bit at a time onto the top of the candlestick. I have a stippling brush that I use specifically for rub and buff, and it works like a charm every single time I use it on there. And so I just use that little smidge of rub and buff I put on it before and go through it, and a little bit does go quite a long ways. So this little tiny tube will last quite a bit of time. And so I made sure to get all over the entire candlestick, even on the inside, just in case you'll be able to see that from where I put it for when I've done decorating. I also then did the second candlestick, as you can see here, and it works so beautifully. It gives that really good old world charm. And then at the end, I just added these beautiful frayed ribbons, and it's as easy as that.